Hello, sweet love, and welcome. I invite you to find a comfortable position if you haven't done so yet, and to softly start tapping on the side of your hand. Taking 3 deep breaths in and out here. In through the nose, and exhaling out through the mouth. 2 more at your own pace. Feel free to change any of the words I say if there is something that resonates more with you. Otherwise, repeating me out loud or silently. If it feels good for you, you can softly close your eyes, otherwise keeping a soft gazing point in front of you. Continuing to tap on the side of your hand. Even though I feel ungrounded, almost like I'm floating, right here and right now, I call back all parts of me to the ground. Even though I feel ungrounded, almost like I'm floating, right here and right now, I call back all parts of me to the ground. Even though I feel ungrounded, almost like I'm floating, right here and right now, I call back all parts of me to the ground. I am ready to come back to the earth, to feel rooted and stable, to stand tall like the trees. Now gently start tapping on the top of your head. I feel ungrounded. Eyebrow point. I feel unstable. Side of your eyes. I feel unsettled. Under your eyes. I feel all over the place. Under the nose. And that can feel so uneasy. Under the mouth, like I'm floating somewhere. Just below your collarbones, and I wish to feel centered. Under your armpit, I wish to feel grounded, rooted, stable. Back to the top of your head. And even though I feel ungrounded, eyebrow point, unstable and unsettled, side of the eyes, maybe even all over the place, under the eyes, I am allowing myself to shift this now, under the nose. I am allowing myself to shift this now. Under the mouth. I am allowing myself to come back to the ground. Just below your collarbones. To feel rooted. To feel centered. To feel stable. Under your armpit. And I'm ready to stand tall, like the trees. Back to the top of your head. I feel the shift happening inside of me. Eyebrow point. All parts of me coming back. Side of your eyes. all parts of me coming back. Under your eyes, coming back to the ground. Under your nose, coming back to the earth. Under the mouth, I feel the shift happening inside of me. Just below your collarbones, and I see all parts of me coming back. Under your armpit, all parts of me are here. So centered, so stable. Now gently tapping on the top of your hand between your ring and pinky finger. I am so grounded again, supported by the earth. Her roots are my roots. Her soil my fertile ground. All parts of me back to her. I feel so rooted, so grounded and connected to her. Look at me now, strong and stable, like a beautiful big tree. Now gently stop tapping, allowing your hands to rest on your heart. And while you take another few deep breaths in and out here, perhaps allowing a soft smile to come to your face. Maybe even visualizing this strong big tree in your mind's eye for a moment. You are not separate from this, sweet love. You are part of her, part of the earth, and you can always come back to her. Taking another 3 deep breaths in and out here. Feeling this rootedness all throughout your body. And whenever you are ready, you can softly flutter your eyes back open, going back into your space. May you feel rooted and grounded throughout the rest of your day, sweet love. And if it feels right for you, it will mean the absolute world to us if you could take just a second to like and subscribe. Perhaps commenting how you like this EFT, sharing it with a loved one. You make an enormous difference doing that. May every day become a chance to ritualize your life. And I'll tap with you soon. Much love.